with my magic pen, this adoption is granted.
Well, dozens of Central Texas children found forever homes today.
37 children in all were officially adopted in Travis County, but there are still hundreds more in foster care that are awaiting that same happy ending. KXAN's Natalie Stoll has the story all new at 5.
You may proceed, Ms. Hyde, and we'll go from there.
Judge Jean Muir's courtroom in the Gardner Betts Juvenile Justice Center isn't normally overrun with stuffed animals.
For those of you who don't know, I'm generally not this nice on the bench.
But today is a happy day. Sisters Malia and Jelani are joining the Daniel family.
This pen, magically, is going to say that Mr. and Mrs. Daniel become your mom and dad so that you are theirs. Uh-oh. And they are yours.
21 other families are also celebrating Austin Adoption Day.
Hey, little man. Go. I know you want Papa.
Kelly Kearley is among the proud new parents. She adopted her son Dominic. She's taken care of him since he was 3 days old.
I've always had a heart to adopt, and so as a single mom, this seemed just like the perfect way to do that. And so each day that I've had Dominic in my home has been a blessing.
Now, this is all about the smiles and the happy tears, but there are still more than 150 children here in Central Texas that need a home.
That number is nearly 6,000 statewide. 400 children are in foster care in Travis County at any given time. 15,000 children across the state are. The Texas Department of Family and Protective Services says there is especially a need for families to adopt African American children.
Currently, 35% of the children that are waiting to be adopted in the state of Texas are African American children, and we really need to change that. If we could take today with all the smiles and the tears of joy and remember that there are many others who are looking for that same experience.
In South Austin, Natalie Stoll, KXAN Austin News.